Hey YouTube, I've owned this Winchester gun safe for, I don't know, a month and a half now or so, maybe 2 months, I forget. And seen some other videos on it, but like some of them seem extremely dark. You know, people put these things in their closet and stuff and you can't really see it. So I thought I'd give my thoughts on it. This particular Winchester safe, it is a Tractor Supply exclusive that they get Winchester to put their name on it for 'em. It's actually, I think it's made by Granite Security Products, and it said this model is exclusive to Tractor Supply. It's advertised as a 24 long gun capacity. I'll give you, this is just the magnetic thing that they put on it here, so maybe you can kind of check that out. 45-minute fire rating, fiberboard layers. It says up to 24 guns, and this is pretty common in gun cabinets. Whatever they list it as, you can put about half that many in there. 1-inch bolt size, California Department of Justice requirements, 14 gauge steel. It's regular price on it at Tractor Supply is $500. It seems to go on sale about every other month for $450 right now. I think today's like December 12th. It's currently on sale right now for $450. I guess has this electronic lock on it. It's a 6-digit. You set your own combination on it. It's easy to change the combo. It's not a big deal. It's powered by a 9-volt battery underneath. It does come with one, a Duracell, and they only recommend Duracell or Energizer batteries for it. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of these electronic locks. You do some search and you will see where people been locked out of their safes, and it seems like a disaster then trying to get into these things. So I've actually been looking at options of putting a manual 3-digit combination, which I think I'm gonna do somewhere down the road. Just, I do not, everything electronic breaks within time. So I have been looking at replacement locks, and that'll definitely be an upgrade on mine. And overall dimensions, it's 59 inches high top to bottom, 28 inches wide left to right, and 20 inches deep. So with that, I did put a light kit in mine. That was not a lot of these guys on YouTube. They like to make their gun safes look like discos with lights that change different colors and stuff. I wanted a standard white LED light kit to I want to be able to see inside this thing. I don't want it to look like a disco. And so I found a kit. I will link it in the description. It came from Amazon. Don't remember what it cost, but it's we'll open it up now. I've already activated the combination. And there you can see. So I'll give you a look. It comes with this door pocket here with stuff for 4 handgun pockets. I got my 19-11 in there right now, and a knife and extra magazines. Then you get these pouches. Put whatever you like in there. These ones have these 2 bottom ones. You seem to have some foil, cool pockets or whatever. I keep certain paperwork in there. You can see I did also put a Goldenrod Dehumidifier in mine. And then, like this shelf here, I don't know if we'll be able to see underneath there. You can take it out if you just want to, you know, store long guns in it. And I'll try and give you a look at the LED in here. Like I said, I will link this particular kit. These are like solid type mounts in here. These aren't the ones that come on a roll and you got to kind of like pin in there. It was a 6-light kit. Very happy with it. And it's motion activated. There's the motion detector. So it comes up, the metal on the back is pre-drilled, but you do have to drill through the drywall that's in it to be able to get your wires in it. And then there's 4 mounting points. Mine is drilled and mounted to the floor. I used 3/8 diameter Tapcon screws by 4 inches long. So mine is bolted to the floor. So I'll show you the bolts. These ones are stationary. These do not retract with a handle. The ones on the hinge side. There you can see 45-minute fire rating. So we'll see. This is, I wouldn't consider this like a, you know, a high security gun cabinet. I mean, you can find plenty of videos here on YouTube that show how fairly easy some of these are to bust into. It's just my feeling. I have teenagers in the house, and this is to keep them and their friends out of it. My gun cabinet, it is mounted in my shop. You know, some people say don't do that. My shop's climate controlled though, so it you know, it doesn't get really cold out here. You know, it's heated in the winter and air conditioned in the summer. So, and it's my feeling, you know, you want to keep your building secure. On top of that, I said this isn't my shop. There is no windows in my shop. It's there's a commercial entry door to get in here with a commercial lock. And I also have video surveillance on my property, you know, 24/7. So this is more or less to keep, you know, curious people, or my teenager. They don't have access to this when I'm not home anyway, but made me feel more secure. It's to have this stuff locked up where I know no one else can access it. So, you know, you live in Cleveland, Youngstown, Detroit, Chicago, New York, you know, places like that, you know, you might want to go something with more secure. But I said, you pick this up on sale for $450, and I don't think you can go wrong with it. I've been very happy with it. Like I said, I am going to try and replace that lock, and it's this particular lock, there's only a 1-year warranty on it. And a lot of the other Winchester safes, you know, the main Winchester model lines, you can buy like a 9-year extended warranty, I believe, for $75. You know, if you like, it's just, I'm not a fan of electronic locks. So I have, if anyone has replaced this electronic lock with a manual combo on theirs, I'd like to know what you got to work. I've done some research on it. It doesn't look too difficult. And they all look pretty straightforward. So, been happy with it. And if you're looking for a secure way to store your guns in your home or shop, I would recommend this Winchester safe. So, thanks for watching, and if you're one of my normal subscribers, no, I'm not turning my channel into a gun channel anytime soon, but I'll have another video coming soon explaining what's been going on over the past 6 months and other stuff. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.